Hey there. So I've been thinking about it for a long time now, and finally I am doing this. The 30 days of code challenge, which is gonna be from June 1 to June 30. Like you can even call it the June 30 days of code challenge or whatever. Okay, so all these days, whatever I'll code, I'm gonna make a video out of it. And this might include web development, app development, Python, Java, C++, and even competitive programming. Like literally, it could be anything related to coding. So this is the first day of these 30 days, and for today I've recreated my university's website.
And this is my university's website, so this is what you see when you visit the official one. And yeah, they do have a lot of content which is not well structured. They don't have a flag icon, neither the website is responsive. So when you see it on a mobile screen, this is what you get. And they do have a desktop navigation bar, which obviously should not be here. The menu bar is just fucked up, and this doesn't seem to be good enough. So I tried making it again, and this is what I ended up on. And yeah, I made it responsive. So when you view it on a mobile screen, this is what you see. Everything is well structured in its own way, and yeah, we've got the mobile menu bar. So that's it. So I created this website using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Now let me just wrap it up in brief. So Next.js is simply a React framework with a lot more built-in functionalities, which makes it a super handy tool to create web applications. And Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework, and using it, you can actually just write your CSS in your HTML file without even leaving the HTML. So which makes it a really powerful and time-saving tool. And I just want to tell you guys that this project is not yet completed, as there's going to be a menu bar over here which is actually missing right now. And I will add more functionalities to it, like switch to light and dark theme, and I will introduce animations. But for now, that's it, and see you soon for the next one.